love this car. This thing's trash, dude. This car is not slow. So that's funny. That's really funny. A little concerned about the transmission at this point. So you're saying if I had a faster car, I'd go faster?
Yeah.
See ya! Bro, I got this. Let's go! Let's go! All right, guys, we're here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We just waited a rain delay out about 1 hour. Cletus was here. We were supposed to race, but he mentioned something about his mullet getting wet. I don't know. It's dry now, so we're gonna hop in the BMW. Obviously, you guys know we changed the turbos and did a couple of tuning modifications. So the last time we were here, it ran 12.5. That was the best we could get out of the turbos that were on it at that time. So I'm hoping we can drop at least 0.8 of a second. So I think there's about that is a 4x4 GMC Jimmy gasser. Say I'm lying. So let's see what number it'll put down. I have a Camaro. He won't really tell me what's going on with it, but I presume it's about 500 wheel. It's full bolt-on ethanol, so it's on a tire as well. I guess that'll be the first race that we do. All right, guys, first pass on the new turbo setup. I'm gonna try to leave in second, like I've been trying to do forever, and see if it hooks. Let's go, dude. First pass, new turbos. I am jacked up for this. Second gear. I know it sounds crazy. I hate doing it too. We'll let Buddy do his thing. It did the fucking shift again. This thing's trash, dude. This transmission is trash. It pulls hard in the back half, but dude, not being able to leave in second gear is my pitfall. I will never be able to run the number I'm going for until I get this transmission issue figured out. Sorry, I'm happy, but also yet very frustrated. So next pass, we're gonna do first gear, and we're gonna let her sing for sure. I might bitch and moan a little bit, but your boys have gotten to the 11, dude. 11.944, still an 11 in my book, at 119.67. So just with the turbos, I think she picked up about 7.5 miles an hour with a garbage launch, and 60 at 192. 8th mile, 782. Before, it was about a half a second slower to the 8th mile. So this is a huge gain. Now I just really got to work on the driver. That's me. But hey, first pass, we dropped 0.6 of a second compared to the last time we were out here. Massive improvement. Definitely worth the wrenching for sure. But yeah, I know I can do better, so I'm gonna go back in the lanes right now and lock it in. All right, guys, this time I'm gonna try to start in first gear due to our transmission issue. If somebody's watching this with an N54 and knows what I should do, definitely let me know. All right, first gear, guys. Let's fucking go, dude. See ya! Bro, I got this. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, baby! Yes! I have no idea why I am so excited for a CTSV win, but can guarantee you that that was the fastest pass I've ever done in this car. I have a feeling this could be like an 1170. And I think the mile an hour, I was trying to do a lot all at the same time, but dude, let's go, dude. This car is not slow. Thank you, sir. So that's funny. That's really funny. 189 60 foot, 7.7 flat to the 8th at 94.5 mile an hour. The overall ET 11,875 at 117.9. So that's almost 2.5 mile an hour less than our last run where we started in second. It seemed to definitely like launching in first gear better, which I think is the way to go. Just to be honest, between me and you, a little concerned about the transmission at this point. This thing makes some torque for sure. Like, this is a transmission that's not supposed to make this much torque or to handle this much torque. So we are asking a lot of it. I may do one more run, but it looks like we're at least into the 11s, dude. Yeah, the 60 foot was definitely better time-wise and feeling, but at mile an hour, 3 less. So you're saying if I had a faster car, I'd go faster?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
You guys have some of the best advice in the game. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, so this is CTSV I just took out. The guy thinks it's fast though. But yeah, I mean, he spent 100 grand on it. I spent about 7 grand. 1170 car, definitely better at the 60 foot. Got you by 8. How you doing? Good man. Yeah, we're gonna walk him again. So I just beat him by a 10. All right, guys, I'm racing this CTSV again. Closest race of my life at Bradenton. So this should be another good fun run. Let's get it. Definitely gonna start in first gear again because that worked out very well. 180 60 foot.
Good luck.
I got him. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Guys, I gotta leave the tree far better. That last one was a 44. Same style burnout, super light. Oh, he's gonna deep double bubble me, bud. I think we got him, bro. I think we got him. That was the absolute top of 4th gear. Thankfully, I have these turbos. Oh, baby. He's giving me the finger right now. This dude's a man, dude. What a guy, dude. This guy is, I guess, a friend of Justin's. And he's just got a great attitude, man. This is hilarious. Him and I are, dude, that was such a good race, bro. On that run, I completely just blew the tires off first gear. So, don't think my 60 foot's gonna be ideal, but I think I treat them too, which is the best part. Because we were just shit talking about tree times. This is so much fun. Guys, I just got completely shafted. Hey Victor, I'm gonna blame you for this. I know it's not your fault, but I gotta get a slip, dude. So if you want to email that to me, let me know. What? We got no slips.
No?
I have no idea what happened.
We won.
What happened? Time for a quick tech tip. Wipe your old number off your car, because my old number 76 has been on this window. Hopefully you can see it right there. My new number tonight, 41, got wiped off for me putting it up and down. 1179 with a 2 at 120.66. That is the fastest I've gone in this car. And I'm so happy that we reached 1170s, dude. All right, guys, after 3 runs, this is what we've got. Starting with our first run on the right and our last run on the left. The car numbers did change though, because my new number from tonight wore off. So my old number from about a month ago was still left. So they told me that I didn't have a slip, which I was clearly pissed about. Sorry, Victor. Yeah, this is what you want to see. When you guys do work to your car and you come out here, we shaved 0.8 of a second That's the real deal, man.
It is.
0.8 of a second with just a turbo swap. So we're gonna get a few more revisions from our tuner, and then I think the camera car is ready to rip, dude. So I think we're not gonna get any more comments about trying to keep up. We're gonna be keeping up. So that's all we got for tonight. We'll check you on the next one. All right, guys, see ya.